Meet the Koenigsegg Jesko, a hypercar that redefines speed, engineering, and exclusivity. Built by Koenigsegg Automotive, a small family-owned company in Sweden. The Jesko is the brainchild of visionary founder and CEO Christian von Koenigsegg. Unlike big automotive giants, Koenigsegg stands independent, pushing boundaries with extreme innovation. Now let's talk numbers. The Jesco starts around 25 to 30 crore, but once you add Indian taxes and customs, the price can soar to 35 to 50 crore or more. And remember, only 125 units will ever be made. That's rarity at its finest. There are three variants. Jesco Attack, track focused, built for maximum downforce. Jesco Absolute, designed to chase the crown of the fastest car in the world. And the base Jesco, already a monster in its own right. Performance brutal, 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The Absolute variant is aiming for 500 km per hour, plus with real world claims already touching 480 km per hour. Under the hood sits a 5.0 liter twin turbo V8 producing up to 1600 horsepower on E85 fuel. Even on regular petrol, it delivers 1280 horsepower. Mileage practically irrelevant, around 4 to 6 km per liter, because this machine is not built for daily commutes. What makes the Jesco truly special are its innovations. Light speed transmission, the fastest gear shifts in the world, triplex suspension, stability even on bumps, carbon fiber monocoque, ultra light yet incredibly strong, active aerodynamics, wings that adjust automatically, and a dashboard that blends analog precision with digital flair, like a Swiss watch for speed. The Jesco is not just a car, it's a statement of independence, innovation, and sheer madness. That's why it's known as the crown jewel of hypercars, owned only by the wealthiest collectors worldwide. Koenigsegg Jesco, not just built to drive, but built to break records. Which feature of Jesco do you like the most? Mention in the comment box, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane hypercars breakdown.